Today we're going to be installing a set of Barricade rock sliders / steps on the side of our Rubicon here. Our first step to do this is take this factory rock slider off. It's a little close to our tire, so we're going to try to cut it off about 1 inch. Take this off. It's 2 bolts and 4 nuts. The bolts are 13 millimeter and the nuts are 10 millimeter. Alright, first thing we'll do is take these bolts out. There we go. Alright, now we got to trim about 1 inch off this end. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take this plastic cap off. To do that, you got to pop this plastic rivet right here out. We're going to tear it. Yep. Get a pair of pliers. Alright, now that we've got the plug out, we should just be able to pry this out. There's that. Now we just got to cut it off. The first thing you got to do is measure for this hole, because you'll have to re-drill it once you cut it. So, take the square here and measure down. And it is approximately 1/2 inch from the edge. So you can put 1/2. Alright, next thing we're going to do, we're going to cut this at 1 3/8 inches. So we come out with our square here. Measure 1 3/8 inches. I'm going to cut this on the back side here. I'll lay it down here. Sharpen it out and mark it. That way you know where to cut.
Yeah, it's on you. You've measured and done, and it's whenever you're ready.
All right, here we go. There we go. Gotta clean the edges up and paint it. Alright, just gonna get a tape file. Go all the way around it. Alright, now just get a little paint to it. Alright, before I paint it, I'm going to drill my hole. I've already got it marked out. So I'm going to put it. Take my drill. Start drilling. There we go. I got some rust on and rust barrier. I'm gonna spray on here. Good encapsulate rust. Usually passes pretty good product. So just get this a little spurt. Get all the shiny spots. Now we just let it dry. Alright, while the rock guard's drying, we're going to take out the two body mount bolts that mount the steps. Got one at the back here, one at the front, and they are 18 millimeter. So we're going to take them out now. Oh, another front. And there's the front. And now we wait for the rock slider to dry. Now, this is dry, so it's put the cap back on and stick it on. Knock it in. Take the plug. Get it in. Alright, got this all back to go. Now let's put it on the Jeep. Alright, first things first, get this up back under here. Pick it up, line it up when it rolls. Slide it under there. Get one of these nuts. Start it on the front or it won't fall off. Put one on the back. Alright, now to run everything back up. There's that. Now I'll put the rock slider on. Alright, now all we gotta do is put the step on. It goes through the body mounts, the front, the middle two body mounts here, so here we go. Need that? Hmm? Try it.
Still, at least you're gonna have to get
That's fine.
The sunglasses there. Ha. Thanks. Medium brown.
There we go. That's it.
That looks great. I like it. And got that too on there. That's a win-win. Definitely. Yes, I came in to help today.
Now all we got to do is left to torque it. It's torqued to 35 inch pound or 35 foot pounds.
All right, I'm gonna go in here, torque these bolts down to 35 foot-pounds. Easy enough. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our social media links in the description to keep up with our latest adventures.